Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to give my short introduction. I am a student of University College of Law, MLS. So basically, I am not associated with the IT field. And actually, I had a passion for computers, passion for software development. Since I was in 6th or 7th class, I performed well in some cyber Olympiads and did well in other computer-related competitions. But that passion was not in shape. Then, due to my career decision, I joined law, but I still had a great interest in computers. Now, it's a privilege to have all the IT professionals in this room today. So we are basically very familiar with what is in the market, what kind of institute provides what kind of quality and placements, etc. But I basically had no idea of what AppTech is. I just knew that, okay, this is some place in the Durga Nursery Road and they teach computer here. So I just walked in one day and I consulted with ma'am about what the courses structure was. And then Ganesh sir heard me talking to her, so he invited me to sit with him, and then he explained to me what will be the structure and how it will benefit me. So he really convinced me to join this course because I was just like, so यार बोर हो रहे हैं तो ज़्यादा सीखते हैं. So I started the classes and I was actually very surprised by how well Ganesh sir teaches. He is really a passionate man when it comes to teaching. So it is really a pleasure. I really enjoy when I learn something like Java, complex subject with such passion and detail. So I don't know how. Basically, I wanted to do individual software development. I won't be doing any kind of job in IT, but if possible, if it is practical, profitable, and if I can do that, and then I'd like to be a individual software developer. So for me, AppTech has been a blessing because the idea which I had in my mind would not have taken a shape if AppTech Institute was not there. Because I could learn some of it on websites and different kind of tutorials, web3schools.com, etc. But that teaching is not in that kind of organization, and I will also be getting certificates, so there will also be a professional qualification for my certification. So even if I don't use the knowledge that I am getting here, I first learned Java web app development, and then Java development, and then I go with Android development because I wanted to translate my ideas into applications that work and which can be installed into everyone's smartphone, which they get in their palms. So I don't know if I'll be able to make something out of it or not. But what is important for me and what the benefit that I have gained from AppTech Institute is that the idea that I had in my mind, the passion for computers that I had in my mind is taking a shape and is making me able to do something out of that passion and knowledge. So I would like to thank Ganesh sir for being such a great teacher. I would like to thank ML Palestra sir. Without him, AppTech would not have been existing. And that's it. So I would like to again congratulate everyone who has been engaged in different kind of reputed institutes. Thank you all.
Thank you, Siddharth. Next, I would like to invite Mrs. Ritika Kalesra ma'am to hand over the certificates to the students.